guys, today One-Eyed and Miss One-Eyed said that they have Halloween arts and crafts for us. And they said it was going to be a surprise. Oh, what is this? Well, it's not even heavy, but there's like a million stuff in it. Whoa. What is this? Sorry, One-Eyed, I just need to block you for right now. Let's see what's in here. Okay, a flower leaf thing, some more leaves and string. I'm a magician. Can you see me? Hopefully you can see me. And then some more leaves. And then huge bow. And then there's some more string. Whoa. It's coming from here. Oh, Mom? Can you come help me? Go around the camera. Can you pause it for a minute? Okay, so this is what we got. Some leaves. Weird banner strings. And then, I don't think we need that right now. And then we need some of these, more leaves, a glue gun, scissors, plate, bow, some more leaves that are not attached, and some eyeballs. Wait, some eyeballs. I can't do that. That's just. And then you got some string. Then spider web thingy. Spider web mesh. I think it's called mesh. I don't know. It looks like it's actual spider webs hanging on the wall because the rest of it looks clear. Pull that back up. This is definitely gonna go on my wreath. So we're gonna start with the plate. And Mom, can you plug this in? So today we are gonna make a wreath, and you wanna cut a hole in the plate. And then you probably just wanna start decorating your wreath. And yeah, that's what I'm basically gonna do right now. So you can cover it with some of, I forgot what this is called. And there's like this weird sticky part on it, which I'm gonna take off. Or cut off. Yeah, I don't think I can take that off. I'm just gonna cut. Mesh. Oh yeah, it's called mesh. Sorry about that. Then I'm just gonna basically just start wrapping this. Okay, so we got a wreath all meshed and wrapped. You might need an adult for that because of course my mama had to help. I feel like there's glitter all over my face now. And then you can use some extra ribbon just to wrap around for design. This is obviously just like little leaves if you look closely. I think like about that would be enough. There. Jesus. Now I need some hot glue. Hot glue that leaf onto the start. Just right here at the start. Ouch. That's hot. What happened? Okay, this is so difficult for wrapping. Wrapping is so difficult. No, stay there. I need my help from my mom. But if you can do this by yourself, just comment just comment it down below because I will be surprised. Because wrapping is super difficult to me. Ugh, how did my mom do this? And then wrap that, and wrap that, and wrap that. And I got all, and I noticed this stuff was all from Dollar Tree because it was in a Dollar Tree bag, and I've seen some of these stuff before. And then I'm gonna like connect this together. And trust me, you can find all these stuff in Dollar Tree. I just love Dollar Tree because it's close to my house. It legit takes like 5 minutes to get there. Okay, now I'm just gonna add some leaves and then maybe some eyeballs. No, I'm not gonna add any eyeballs. That's just too creepy. And then let's see what happens. Put one dot forward, one leaf down, 600,500 and more to go. I'm an old grandpa, as you can see. I'm just an old-fashioned looking grandpa. Yeah, that hurts. I'm just so slow every day. So slow. Ask me to get you a glass of water. Takes 1,560 years. There you go. Dying for thirst. Go down the stairs, creaking and smashing. You don't know who it is. You're a grandpa, but he's still a grandpa. That makes no sense. Waiting for him to give you the glass of water. Creaking down the stairs, and he's a zombie. Not a zombie, a zombie! And I am gonna be a zombie for Halloween, just to let you know. If you're scared of zombies, which are not real, just don't be scared. Cause no, just joking. It's not inappropriate. It's just, zombies are cool, man. Zombies. That's the life of zombies. Whoa. Oh, no there. No, I want that now. I'm just gonna add one more leaf in there. Whoa, that's a lot of hot glue. I'm gonna press it down with an eyeball. Have you ever seen plastic burn? Burn. Because that's actually, if you ever saw plastic burn, it's actually like really cool. I tried it before. Okay, now I just need to hot glue this on my wreath, and then I can show you the finishing touch. Well, I don't really have a finishing touch. And then I just need to... That did not work. I need to keep the hot glue on. There, more hot glue, more hot glue, more hot glue. If you're like a small child who is not allowed to have hot glue, then just definitely ask a parent. Because I am all about safety. Is it stick? Does it stick? It sticked! And guys, this is my wreath. You guys can make a better one. This is how mine turned out. I made one way more earlier. It doesn't look like I can make a second wreath out of this. So guys, I'm just going to come back and clean this up. And me, One-Eyed, and Mr. One-Eyed will say goodbye. So yeah, I'm going to go get my mom's help for cleaning this whole entire thing up. Okay, so this is my wreath. And it turned out really good how I like it. And since I didn't have enough time to make two, so they are going to be sharing it. if you guys really like this arts and crafts wreath, then I'm sure that it will be very fun, especially when you're making it with friends or family. And you can find all of these stuffs in Dollar Tree, and it won't cost a lot of money. I just got all these things for how much? Like $30. That's it. And then which is really cheap, and I really love it. And